From the Sunnah, instead of saying beautiful, we can say Allahumma barik. Instead of thank you, we can say Jazakallah khairan. But is there anything including fi amanillah from the Sunnah we can say instead of bye?
Fi amanillah, general dua. It is not from the Sunnah, and it is not a bid'ah. It's something related to customs, to traditions, to what people say. So for example, Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam. How are you doing? Oh, this is not from the Sunnah. Okay, good morning. Oh, this is not from Sunnah. Are you late for school? Not from the Sunnah. You crazy? This is not related to, nobody says fi amanillah when bidding farewell or ma'as salama, which is bye-bye, to be from the Sunnah. These are cultural things. These are normal things. We are humans, not robots. The difference between bid'ah and Sunnah is when you do it thinking that this is part of the Prophet's way, this is part of the religion that would relate you and get you closer to Allah, and if you don't do it, you're sinful, and the likes. So you're not trying to worship Allah by saying it. You're just making a general thing that people do, and Allah knows best.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, my problem is 2 years ago I started, I wanted to pray Salah consistent, but I prayed and I left it. It was not consistent. And 2 months ago I became consistent. Now that I remember that many of my Salah were Qaza or due, became due because of sleep reasons. I did not pray those because those piled up over time. Now I do not know the exact number of Qada Salah. What do I do now?
You should not do anything to repent to Allah, ask Him for forgiveness, feel deep remorse, and continue to be consistent with your fard salat. What is gone is gone. You cannot make qada for that, because that salat was timed at a specific time, and you did not honor this. If you overslept, the only way to make it up is to pray it as soon as you wake up. If you didn't, it's gone. Nothing can compensate for it. So move on and forget the past while being remorseful.